Hello again, it's your old buddy Jesse Zanichelli with Shore Toyota, and I'm fired up about something. Our service department would like to send out a friendly reminder on the importance of winter maintenance on your vehicle. Pre-winter maintenance always makes the difference on any car. Now I know service technicians can be rather technical, so I'm here to give you the short, simple version. This is your car with pre-winter maintenance. This is your car without pre-winter maintenance. And eventually, this could be you. So come on down to Shore Toyota this winter and let us check those fluids, rotate those tires, and change that oil so that you and your car can eventually be this.